Hello, Year Ones. Now, Sweet's been looking at these two words. Shall we help him read them? Would you like that, Sweet? Okay, so the first word is fact. Do you know what a fact is, Sweet? Okay, well, a fact is like a number sentence. So we could have an addition fact where we add, or we could have a subtraction fact where we subtract or take away. Now the next word says families. Oh, so perhaps we won't be looking at just one fact. We might be looking at more than just one. Should we start then? Okay, we'll see Sweet later. Okay, right, children, I'm going to just move our fact family sheet away. And what have we got here? Well, I borrowed these from the classroom. We've got some cubes. Now, how many red cubes are there? 3. Good. And how many yellow cubes are there? That's right, 2. How many cubes altogether? That's right, 5 cubes. I'm going to put that down. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There we go. So there's our 5 cubes, and I'm going to show us the first fact. And here it is. Should we read that? 3 plus 2 equals 5. So let's put it next to our cubes. Oh, does that make sense? It does, doesn't it? 3 red cubes, add 2 yellow cubes, and 5 all together. Right, just move this back here. Now, what if I turn my cubes round? I've got a different fact now. But it's sort of the same, isn't it? Maybe it's in the same family as the one we've just looked at. So this time we've got 2 yellow cubes, add 3 red cubes, equals 5, because there's still 5 in our cube tower. Okay, let's bring the other one back. And here we go. So here's our first 2 facts in our family. What family is it, though? It's the family of 5. So we're finding different facts for the family of 5. And we've done our first 2. And they're addition facts. Okay. Now we've done 2 addition facts. So I think we need to do a subtraction fact. So here's our cubes again. We've still got 3 red and 2 yellow. I'm going to put down the first subtraction fact. And here it is. So we've got 5 take away 3 equals 2. So there's 5 altogether, but let's take away, split them up, we'll take away the 3, and we're left with just 2 yellow ones. Excellent. Now, if I put them back together again, but turn them round, can you think what the subtraction factor will be this time? Let's have a look. Well, we have to start with 5. Because there's 5 altogether. We've not split them up yet. We've not taken anything away. But this time it says 5 take away 2. So here we go. I'm going to break it up. And this time it's the 2 yellow cubes we're going to take away. And we're left with 3 red cubes. Now, if I take that away, let's put all our facts for the number 5 and see what we notice. And there we go. So we've got 3 plus 2 equals 5. We've got 2 plus 3. What have we done? Oh, we've changed the numbers round, the first 2 numbers. But they still make 5 because they're in the 5 family. And here we've got 5 take away 3 equals 2. And then 5 take away 2 equals 3. So this time we've swapped our 3 and our 2 around here. But always starting with 5 because it's subtraction. When we subtract or take away, we always start with the largest, the biggest, the greatest number. Okay, now let's bring back our fact family sheet that Sweet was looking at. And in fact, look, it's a house. So the fact family lives in this house. But we don't really need smiley faces, so I'm going to turn those over. Oh, so here's our whole. Remember, it's our whole part. So we're going to look at 5 again, but I don't think we're going to do it quite the same. Let's turn over the first part. We haven't got a 3 or a 2, we've got a 4 this time. So what's this one going to be? Call it out. Yes, it's 1, isn't it? We've got 5 as the whole, and we've got 4 plus 1 equals 5. Right, let's fill in our windows in our house. So, I think we could start with a 4. 4 add what? 1. And altogether equals 5. Now, what's the next fact going to be? I've got to make it a little bit different. So remember, are we going to swap these numbers round? I think we are. So the next one will have 1 plus 4 equals 5. So there's the first 2 facts. Let's keep going. Now we've got a takeaway, a subtraction sign. So we're going to start with a 1, a 4 or a 5 in our subtraction fact. Well done. We must start with a 5 because remember, when we're taking away, subtracting, we always start with the largest number, the biggest, greatest number. So 5 take away, I think I'm going to say take away 4 equals 1. And the very last one, I've got to start with 5 again because it's take away, subtract. But this time, not 5 take away 4, I'm going to do 5 take away 1 equals 4. And there I've got my 4 different facts for the number 5 again. And they all fit, there they are, filling up the house right up to the rafters. Now, what I'd like you to do, I'm going to have a photograph of an empty fact family house. So you can choose the number at the top, your whole number. Now, you could do 5, but you might choose a bigger number. You might choose 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15. Or you might challenge yourself and try 20 at the top. Complete your part whole, and then can you write in your 4 different number facts, 2 addition facts and 2 subtraction takeaway facts for your number at the top of the house. Okay, children. Right, well, have fun doing that. And Sweep and me look forward to seeing your work. Okay, bye-bye.